I think let me quickly show to us what at the start of this London session, month of July, and this is now. Um, okay, okay, and that's why okay, had a session break to the upside, and originally what I'm expecting is that if price to be for a sell opportunity. So if I want to be forced, it is called the media telegram channel. Yeah, they can see this to the KG and friends and to other ones. Let us quickly check. Okay, okay, this was its session break, of the Australian dollar, and it is if it is like this, definitely let's tap. If you notice, I've not set my stop loss yet. I just had to wait for everything to take shape. Originally this I just had to wait for everything to take shape. Originally the stop loss and the take profit for AUD GBPCHF, another one. Okay, should have had my I should have okay, should have had my I should have for GBP Canadian dollar, should have had this trade here. For GBP Canadian dollar, should have had this trade here. That is if it will go in my direction, but it can do in this 15 minutes. Okay, so I'd just say GBP this and another buy. Okay, where's the buy? Okay, where's the okay? It's also having a table for myself. Okay, it's also having a table for myself. Okay, okay. I should have had this before here. Okay, the session break was actually should have been before it got to all of this place, maybe here. Okay, so I'm not going to ultimate signal for or ultimate entries actually. Okay, but they are you need to go you need to go watch this movie sorry this movie sorry this documentary Wall Street. 30%, we made 40 pips. Let me just say, wow, if I was among this hedge fund, definitely we should be catching 40 pips every day, and you definitely should know how to be a lot. um let's quickly do a recap of what we did yesterday. Yesterday I traded AUD JPY at the point of entry. Okay, price was initially um on the we had a long order for AUD JPY, and in this regard you have nothing else to do than just watch the market make those reactions. Okay, and that's about that. And also we had Canadian JPY. It took us up, came back down, hit the stop loss, then went back up. You wouldn't say it's not the right entry. Nobody has there's no sniper anywhere, okay, except you just want to make your analysis, know what market direction is, or where market is trending, or where market momentum, volatility, price, time is taking the market, everything. And then okay, you just showed that. Okay, I could just take GBPJPY too. Let's take a shot for GBPJPY. Buy. We have four orders. All GBP over or GBP versus all other currency pairs, or GBP versus other currency pairs. So like I was saying, I had this, it came back down and it went back up, hit the stop loss, and couldn't do anything. And yesterday too, let me check from the Telegram what happened. Okay, US dollar CHF2 hit, you know, stop loss. I actually had to close it manually. Okay, I actually had to close it, by myself. Every other thing, or looked for other method of or other methodology to trade, but I just wanted to stick to, this amazing machine that I have here. And the diamond signal yesterday, based on what we have here, came, with or came, you know, with this. We saw the buy opportunity when this was when we still had um 3 trades that has given us about 32 pips, New Zealand JPY, New Zealand JPY, and also CAD CHF. That's amazing, right? And I think we later did other ones. Okay, that was okay. We lost at this, we lost at this, and yes, Euro JPY, Euro GBP gave that 49 pips. Okay, but it still went up. See, made about, right? So I think that makes a whole lot of sense. Now with this, if we are to still analyze this, okay, this is his support. That price has not broken since yesterday. Okay, and look at, if I'm going to trade using, ordinarily use price action, I could just, say after this candle, then maybe I should just buy. Okay, but it does not really work like that. There are so many things that pushes the market into this place. Okay, those are the things that are putting into this place. Now look at this. This measures this measures swing mode, for me. Okay, now I also have it in the sense that this will also give me, if there's a combined signal, if intraday is, so we move and continue to look at what we have. Okay, we have already, broken, buy or sell the market if it is selling. GBPAUD also. Okay, that's GBPAUD. GBPCHF, that is Great British Pounds versus the, okay, we have broken this high. We have also broken, sorry, we've broken this high. Only this high have we broken with GBPCHF, and we're still here. Then the third one is we have broken a double top. Okay, a short double top, and then we got a signal to buy. That is, that's about that. Okay, I think those are the 3 trades we have so far. So we'll just we keep, we keep it locked in, that way. Euro GBP. Okay, that's a signal to scalp. Okay, that's a signal to scalp Euro GBP. Okay, but we are not going to do that for now. Okay, so let's quickly analyze what we have. Let's quickly analyze what we have and look at the signals that, you know, okay. All right, I think I have it already. It's out, it's there. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. All right. So if you can see clearly from the screen, this is what we have. And also this is GBPJPY, and also that we have GBPUSD. Okay, this is GBPUSD, and also this is GBPUSD. So let's quickly, yes, GBPJPY is saying has a bullish change, and that is, it's going in the direction, the purported direction. Okay, I just want to quickly look at this and be very sure. Okay, another one is that we have XAGUSD, that's silver. This is silver, that much. Let's quickly look at silver. This morning we don't, gold is not really favorable. Not spamming my pop-up. I'm gonna, but so far so good. We have three, I have three pairs. Okay, so okay, um a buy shot on GBPUSD. Yeah, it's actually outside. Yeah, it is what buy. How many trades we got? How many money are we making every day by day? 5 trades that we, I guess so. You can see why it's not really coming. Although GBP is buying, yeah, the MTF values, actually pushing GBP up, and this, and if I actually want to also maybe and if I can just get this diamond signal like I got yesterday for Euro GBP, it broke the entry, became positive and signal. I guess I should use this opportunity to also look at what I'm yet to put that into, make that implementation into this course, like the COT data, which is very possible. I just need to get the API that I need to to also implement some machine learning capacity or functionalities. There's almost 15 years since I've been coding. When the FX trading or financial trading ideas, methodology, programming or blending programming, but bringing programming into it, so it makes it a whole lot easier. All right, so let's quickly GBPAUD. Okay, then GBPUSD. Okay, and GBPJPY, GBPAUD, GBP New Zealand in the bigger picture and intraday wise. Okay, all right, so let's look at CAD JPY. All right, you see it's actually pushing up. It has broken a barrier. Yeah, has broken a barrier, and I don't, enjoy yourself, feel free. Yeah, even if I'm bearish. So silver signals, but if it's I'm an indicator kind of person, I use indicators a lot, and the reason why I use indicators to trade is to, we are in but before I continue, let me also quickly look at Euro JPY. Okay, So like I said, I am an indicator person, and I like it when you're being pointed out by something, like by a sign, so to say, to either go left or go Ozumba Mbadiwe, Ahmed Bola Tinubu's there's Muritala Mohammed tells us who, what, and where this is. Okay, it tells us that this is what's happening. Okay, if it gets to that point, that means you are gambling. Okay, but when when there is a pointer, when there is a direction, you tend to know what you're doing and why you're doing what you're doing. Okay, in this regard, it's no longer a guessing game. We get anything more reliable than what we are. Now once the diamond signal comes, market picks up simple languages. I don't want to be using specialist languages. I've been calling all the big words in the business of trading. For anybody who might be watching, or who might still, maybe in years and years to come, might still watch this and being simplifying everything and being simple through the use of indicators, and that because that could make me to trade more than one currency pair, or when I'm being directed, I am being guided, and the way I tend to kind of like relate with, not here to impress anybody, but just to impress myself that I can. So that. Let's quickly look at what we have. This is GBPCHF. We still have not broken into the profit area of our buy order, and all others are buy. Even if I want to set my stop loss, it's going to be here, just about 40 pips. GBPAUD, all of them we have not broken into the buy area, and that is how I am going to keep. Yes, how I'm gonna keep the trade. Okay, while I'm waiting for the diamond signal, the super diamond signal, very ultimate. started this. Okay, but that's not the case. We have GBPJPY, GBP, no GBP New Zealand, GBPCAD, GBPAUD, then GBPUSD. Almost has not, still broken into the profit area. Okay, GBPCHF. Into the profit area for our buy order, and GBPCAD. Almost, into the profit area of New Zealand. A price has moved. I would want it when it is just, freshly cooked. GBP related pairs this morning. Maybe not, I don't know. Okay, we've done GBPCAD, almost into that area. Then do we have GBPJPY? Okay, freshly, currently, I'll say currently, entered into, the profit side of the buy area of our buy order, so to say. And this is GBPUSD. So freshly also entered into the profit area of our buy order too. So far so good. That's what we have. Okay, that's what we have. So far so good. While we are still and the dual confirmation, like I said, is the so we have GBPUSD. Okay, we have GBPJPY. We have XAGUSD silver. We have BTCUSD is also bullish. Okay, and this is it. Okay. All right, you can see this move. That is how far. That's how far GBPUSD has moved. All right, and also we have all the 4 GBP related pairs, JPY, USD, and BTC for now. So let's see what we have. Still hoping to get more beautiful, signals from as in just puts. Okay. Okay. Just posted that information onto the Telegram area, so that's exactly how it's going to be. Beautiful. Just saw GBPUSD. I think it's confirmed that we have entered into the also, which is also good. Oh, we have Euro AUD. That's a sell. Okay, but but the reason I may not want to take that is you can help. Okay, I don't want to dabble into every signal opportunity. Let's also look at GBPCAD. Okay, I think we have not entered into the profit area of the buy order GBPCHF2, and please don't wait that long before you exit, because I'm not going to. So if there is need, or if the need warrants me to take such action, I definitely should know what to do. And on the elite top tier circle. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So let's also look at GBPAUD. Okay, so those are the stops we have. Add this to but I had it up to 4 hours. Didn't know it was just about 2 hours 19 minutes. But in this regard, I'm just going to leave it, since the network is a little stable. Yeah. I'm making money as a Forex trader every day. I just formed that song. Okay, just leave this to I'm just gonna leave this to flow by itself.